Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Lastly, the process server was not even examined by the court to consider the fact whether the registered AD was refused, and if so, by whom. Stop. The learned trial court has ample power to impose a cost on the appellant and set aside the ex parte judgment and decree, but the learned judge has refused to exercise the said power. Stop. On the other hand, Mr. Gaurav Gupta, the learned counsel for the respondent, has argued that the envelope of the registered AD has been washed out. Stop. Therefore, notation on it is not very clear. Stop. But there is an observation in the order sheet dated 18 July 2005 clearly stating that the appellant had refused to accept the notice. Stop. This fact has been reflected in the order sheet dated 18 July 2005. Stop. Thus, the service is deemed to be complete. Stop. Hence, he has supported the impugned judgment. Stop. We have heard both the learned counsels for the parties and have perused the record as well as the impugned judgment para. The function of the courts and reason for creation of the judicial system is to do justice to the parties. Stop. The courts are expected to be liberal in spirit and not pedantic in their approach. Stop. Although Order 9 of the Code bestows sufficient power to deny the defendant an opportunity of hearing, but such a power should not be used mechanically or at the drop of the head. Stop. Since exercise of such a power infringes on the constitutional right of being heard, since it also infringes on the principles of natural justice, such a power should be exercised in the rarest of the rare case. Stop. Repeatedly, it has come to the notice of this court that the door is being shut on the defendant on the ground that the defendant has approached the court beyond the period of limitation, or ostensibly on the ground that the summons were served. Stop. While judging the sufficiency of the reasons for the non-appearance of the defendant. Stop. The court should be sensitive to the harsh reality of this country. Stop. The illiterate and the poor litigant approaches the court for justice. Stop. The defendant approaches the court with the hope that the will be given ample opportunity to defend his case. Stop. At times, the defendant is assured by the counsel that he will be informed about the progress of the court. Stop. But the counsel fails to adhere to his promise. Stop. At times, the counsel pleads no instructions, but the defendant has no knowledge of the counsel's pleading no instructions before the court. Stop. At times, summons are said to be served upon the defendant, but no cogent evidence is produced. Stop. At times, the service of summons is presumed on weak evidence. Stop. At times, cases are transferred from one court to another without any information to the litigant, who may be residing miles away from the court. Stop.